Hi guys, happy Monday. Welcome to a new vlog. So I'm going to do a get ready with me as I explain everything that I have been up to for the past 24 hours. So without further ado, let's get into it. So, unless you guys are new here, my fiance Patrick and I are getting married in 28 days, which is really exciting. But with that comes obviously moving, because both of us do not live in the same place. Obviously, I still live at my parents' house, and Pat had his own place where he was sharing a room with like a couple of roommates in like a house type situation. But yesterday on Sunday, we basically had to move all of his stuff from that rooming situation that he had in the IE to the new apartment, which we both will share. However, I will not be moving into that apartment until after we get married, if that makes sense. When I tell you, we had literally drove almost like 8 hours and 30 minutes consecutively. And how we knew that is because the rental car that Pat has right now at this time literally said it on the monitor. But we literally went back about a good like 3 times. The biggest issue was his bed. He has a purple bed. It's very convenient, actually. It's kind of like a electronic remote controlled bed that you can like move it up, so you can move the front part up, you can move the front part up, you can just kind of have it in kind of like a zero gravity, which is very nice, but it is heavy. It is heavy. So luckily one of Pat's uncles was able to take it to the apartment, and we were able to take like the first half of his stuff. And this man, I love him to pieces, but he literally had like 100 hoodies, if not more. Like, we've been together for about 3 years. I've never seen you wear these sweaters. These gotta go. So we had to do a whole, like, on top of moving, having to get rid of stuff that he did not need, because it's gonna be cluttered if both of us just don't get rid of the stuff that we need to get rid of and try to move all of that stuff into a 1 bed, 1 bath. That's just insane. So we had to do that, and yeah, I'm gonna show some of the clips. I didn't film that much that entire time because I was in between, like, about to pass. It was so hot. Like, it was extremely hot. So I'm just gonna add it here, and then yeah, we'll come back. All right, guys, so we started at 10 this morning, and we have been running on chicken nuggets and some Sprite, which is very jam-packed nutritional meal. But yeah, we have everything in the back here. This is the first batch of everything. Pat's uncle, one of Pat's uncles, literally just took his bed to the apartment. So Pat's getting some leftover stuff that can fit in here on our first go, and we will see how this goes. Yeah, we're just exhausted, tired. I can't wait to lay down soon. It's just been a long day, but we'll survive. We'll survive. There's the man with the plan himself. As you can see, our second round is all in the back here as well. Like, we started around like 10 in the morning because we wanted to like at least rest, because we knew that it was going to be more labor intensive. But yeah, it basically took from 10 a.m. to almost 11 p.m. because like we just ended up just dropping stuff off. I thought we were going to have more time for me to like set everything up, but the only thing that I set up was maybe like the stuff where his bed was going to go, which we already did, and then figuring out where to put his desk, which is now going to be a TV stand for our house, which is going to be cool because we're going to like use a multi-purpose, because I already have my desk, but he has his own desk, but we found a way to kind of make it function as a TV stand. And just getting that stuff all settled, and like I made his bed. That's literally, and I think we put up some of his like dishes, but he has so much Tupperware, so we really don't need any Tupperware. We just need to get more cups and bowls and stuff like that, because he had a little bit kind of like a starting kit for himself. But once I move in, we don't have, like, obviously I live with my parents, so I don't have any of my own stuff besides mugs. But are we really going to use mugs for like bowls? Probably not. So that is going to be a whole thing. But other than that, we are finally at least moved in all of his stuff, which I'm kind of concerned on what it will look like for me. But I thought this whole entire time, we thought that it was going to be my stuff that was going to be like harder to move. But judging from the things that I experienced yesterday, it was him. That's who we should have been worried about. It's usually the people that we're not worried about. All jokes aside, I'm just glad that we just got everything that we needed to get done that day, because at first we weren't sure whether or not his uncle could actually like take his stuff that day, because we didn't know if we just had to take the other stuff out and then have his uncle come another day and pick up his bed, which means that he was going to still sleep at his old place for a longer period of time than we hoped. But luckily, yeah, he called his uncle 2 days ago, so on Saturday, and yeah, he was like, oh, I can come on Sunday, cool. So yeah, all is well. So now we're just focusing on all the other stuff. I'm thinking about possibly doing I guess like a moving vlog series once I start moving my stuff, because that's when we're gonna actually like officially get everything that we need and buckle down on everything we need before we really make it our marital home, which I'm really excited for. But yeah, that's about it. I start work from 1 to 9, so we're gonna get started on that, and I'm really excited. I feel so crusty. Even right now, I still have like this part is still sore because I was picking up boxes. Like I was really like into it. I was entering my She-Hulk era. It feels like I felt like I could accomplish so much. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get it together today, and this week is all just going to be about just doubling down, getting into work, because I'm working from 1 to 9 like almost every day besides Saturday and Thursday, because Thursday I have a day off and Saturday I have a day off. So that's good. But yeah, this week you're just gonna see me just try to get into the routine of, trying to be more productive. Within this time frame, I'm going to finish another 100 pages of funny story for my book club. If you guys do not know, me and some of my friends are in a book club that I started called Turning Pages, along with my sister Bria, and it's so much fun. I don't know if you guys saw in the last vlog, at the end of that vlog, but I was having so much fun, and it's so great to see all of my friends that I met through different facets of my life finally coming together and meeting each other and having so much fun over a good book. So I'm gonna finish until I think we're up to chapter 10. So we're supposed to read another 100 pages, so it's 110, and then we're supposed to finish chapter 17. So we should be stopping at chapter 18 this week. I'm so excited to figure out where this book is taking me, because I love a good revenge plot. I love a good, friends to lovers type trope. I guess it's considered that, I guess. But yeah, I'm really excited. So I can't wait for you guys to get on this journey with me as I'm trying to, get my life together after the debacle that's been this past week. So yeah, let's just get on with work, I guess. Hi guys, happy Tuesday. Today I have work from 1 to 9 again. But before we get to that, I wanted to show you guys something from our wedding planning extravaganza. So here it is. It's gonna be on like a stand, so it won't be too floppy like this. I might have to add some clothespins, but I got this little Polaroid round frame thing. It's got this little thing here, but we're just gonna hide it. But it's got this little thing here, and the clothespins came with it. And then I went on Zazzle, got all of the cards that has all of our family and friends' names on it. And so for cocktail hour, they'll see this on the stand. And when they go into reception, they'll just go to the table because we had like the table numbers, and then they'll be able to find their names on our seating cards. So all of that is done. So tomorrow I have the cocktail napkins, and then we have literally 3 packs of like the Chinese melon candies that Pat and I are obsessed with, and we're gonna put those in the candy bags, and we are done. Like literally, I don't have to buy anything else for this wedding. We don't have to buy anything else for this wedding. Literally, I have to talk to the DJ on Thursday. Pat's gonna be at work during that time. I think I'm supposed to talk to them at 1:30, but I will be off that day, which is good because there's several times where I've had to like literally be scrambling in between games to like talk to people for the wedding stuff. But I'm so glad that we are now 27 days before the big day. I think just overall, everything just seemed crazy at first because I remember back in last September, when we were looking at wedding venues and trying to figure out when we wanted to get an apartment, and all of these things seemed like so broad and big. And I was like, okay, like I'm kind of scared, but I was glad that we were able to organize and compartmentalize together all of these things. So everything worked out. We're not broke, which is good for planning, I guess. But yeah, I'm just really excited that we're all set and done with everything. And now it's just final appointments and final payment for the venue, and then we can just party. So I'm really excited. So I'm gonna get ready for work. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit, and then we'll just get on with the rest of our day. Here's my outfit. Here is my Ramones cropped tee from H&M. I have these cute pearls that my mom gave to me that I'm wearing now, and I think they're so cute with this outfit. And then I have my bloomers from a set that I got from Amazon, my cute little puppy slippers from Marshall's, and just my standard jewelry. So let's get on with our work day. Hi guys, happy Thursday. So today is my off day, so I'm going to get my keys for the apartment. Bree is coming along with me, and then I have to talk to the DJ, which I'll do over there, and then we're gonna go to Target so I can pick up some things for the new apartment. And then when Pat gets home, we are going to cook. So I'm really excited. So here's my outfit. I have this thrifted, I think this is a Madewell jumpsuit. And yeah, I got it from Goodwill when I went with Megan a couple of weeks ago. And then I have my Uniqlo sling bag, and I got these shoes, and those are from DSW. So yeah, we are getting ready to head out. All right guys, so I'm back at the apartment. I did some you know, putting away some of the things that we bought from Target. Bria just left because she has an event that she is going to go to. So she's gonna go back home and get ready for that. But I wanted to show you guys everything that I have done, everything that I've accomplished so far in here before Pat gets home. I am so excited on how much I have accomplished. I am sweating, so sorry for my appearance, but I'm gonna show you guys around and show you guys some progress that we've made. So here's the kitchen so far. So Pat's already using this, but this is like the dish like drying rack because we don't have a dishwasher. So we have to wash everything by hand. So we bought this from Target. We have this little tray that he's had for a while. I'm only keeping this here. Whenever we get a coffee table, I'll put that here. There's my drink. And, you know, I put in a new plug-in because there's still a little bit of a paint smell. I tried to open up the windows a little bit to get that out. And then I got a spice rack for all of the spices that we have. Most of this is Pat's. I can't believe how many soy sauces that this man has. He literally has like 1, 2, and then that big jug in the back is all of his soy sauces. But yeah, we put all of that. It actually can like fold in here, so you can fold it in and fold it out so it extends so we have more room. And here I just got this plate set from Target as well with some bowls. And yeah, that's kind of like everything for the kitchen, I believe. So in the living room, we're kind of making some progress. Like literally this whole entire area was just filled with like trash and everything, just because we were just moving his stuff and he hasn't been able to move everything because of his schedule. But we are kind of like, that's all of the stuff that is now empty that I can use when I move. And then we got this stuff to kind of declutter and figure out what to do with that. Also, what people don't tell you when you move is how much trash you accumulate. Like this all here is trash that we'll have to take out. I'll have Pat take that out later. Also, Pat found this from Costco. Sorry, my knee's cracked. But yeah, Pat found this from Costco and we're gonna put all of the blankets here. But I can't believe that we actually figured out how to make this desk kind of a TV stand. So yeah, we're thinking about getting a bigger TV, but this will do for right now. So I'm gonna show you the things that I got in the bathroom. So this and this here, these are both from Target. I got it from the $5 bin. So this one here, you can put little cotton rounds in here. And then we got a thing for like the toothbrush, which I put Pat's toothbrush and tongue scrubber in here. And this is kind of like a dual soap dispenser. So that's really nice there. And then we have a small shower area, but that is the shower. I just got this. It's so cute. I love kind of like the colors, and I think it definitely works with Pat's little bath mat that we just got. I think I might get another one of these so that way this can go here because we need one here. And even though this is kind of crazy looking right now, it's still not where we want it to be, but this is kind of like the bedroom area. We got Pat's rug from Costco that we have to wash. We have like the whole duvet area. I'm probably gonna get some throw pillows for that. We have some more room so we can play around with it and probably bring more of my stuff, like probably the dresser will go in this area, and then the my nightstand will probably go here.